Alright, it's Mr. Bernay again. Let's go over side 2, our area and perimeter word problem. Side 2. So same drill on side 2 as same one. We're going to write our formula. We're going to show our substitution. We're going to solve, use correct labels, and we're going to restate the question asked. That's what we do for word problems. So let's look at number 1. Jane wants to install new carpet in her living room. The room's length is 20 feet. And the width is 20 feet. So this is a square. If the cost of the carpet is $10 per square foot, what will the total cost to carpet Jane's living room be? So, first of all, are we covering or are we going around? Well, we're covering because we were putting carpet in. Okay, so we're covering a floor. Let's draw a little picture. I like to draw pictures when we have word problems. So our floor is 20 feet by 20 feet, so each side is 20 feet, perfect square. Alright, so let's find the area first. Remember, the area formula for a square is length times width. Okay, so let's plug in our numbers here. Area equals 20 times 20. Okay, so let's see, 0, 0, 0, 4. We have 400. Our area equals 400. Okay, so let's look at what it's asking again. The cost of the carpet is $10 per square foot. And remember, that's what our answer is in because we're using correct labels. Cost of the carpet is $10 per square foot. What will the total cost be to carpet Jane's living room? So let's see. If there are 400 square feet, that's the area, 400 square feet in the room, and the carpet costs $10 per square foot. Let's divide 400 times the cost of 1 square foot. So 10 goes into 40 4 times, and so we have $40. $40. No, that's not right. Sorry. That's not right. Alright, here's the area, that was my mistake. 400 square feet is the area of the living room total. Alright, so $10 per square foot, we're going to multiply, not divide. Mr. Bernay's fault. So let's multiply 400 by 10. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that's going to be 4,000. That's a little different price than $40. $4,000. Sometimes you make mistakes, and they're pretty obvious. Like it costs more than $40 to carpet a living room. It's going to cost $4,000. Right. So that's why it's important to look at the question. So we're going to write our sentence here. The total cost is $4,000. If I had more room, I would say the total cost to carpet Jane's living room is $4,000. $4,000. Sorry for the mistake there, but we learned from it, so that's good. Alright, number 2. Jim is installing wood molding for his new family room. The molding is the stuff that goes around the top of the ceiling. The molding will go around the entire room. The molding costs $3 per foot. If the room is 30 feet in length and 20 feet in width, what will the total cost be of the molding? So, first question, again, are we covering or are we going around? We are going around. We're going around the entire room. Okay? So our perimeter, and the room is a rectangle. A rectangle, 20 feet by 30 feet. Okay? So remember that our perimeter formula for a rectangle is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4. So here we're going to have 30 plus 30 plus 20 plus 20. 60, 80, 100. Our perimeter equals 100. Let's again see what the question is asking so we don't make a mistake like last time. It's saying if the room is 30 feet in length and 20 feet in width, what will the total cost be of the molding? The molding is $3 per foot. So our perimeter, the total that we need, is 100 feet. We forgot our label, didn't we? 100 feet of molding. $3 per foot, we're going to multiply it by 3. And we get $300. So let's restate our question. The total cost of the molding is $300. There you have it. Alright, number 3. Number 3 says, Alice wants to build a wall around her garden. She's gotten an estimate that it will cost $20 per foot to have the wall built. Her garden is 40 feet long and 15 feet wide. How much will the wall cost if it is built all around the outside of her garden? So, let's think about this. Are we covering or are we going around? She's building a wall around her garden. So we're going around. We're going to use perimeter. Perimeter. Garden is 40 feet by 15, so it's a rectangle. 15 by 40. Perimeter equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 plus side 4 on a rectangle. Okay, so let's solve. We have 40 plus 40 plus 15 plus 15. 40 plus 40 is 80. 15 plus 15 is 30. 80 plus 30 is 110. So that's our perimeter. 110 feet. Remember, use correct labels. Okay, so let's reread the question, see what it's asking. The garden is 40 feet, 15 feet wide. How much will the wall cost if it is built all around the outside of her garden? So that's all around the outside means the perimeter. Okay, so our perimeter is 110 feet. The estimate is $20 per foot. So how much will it cost? Well, we have to do 110 times the cost, times 20, because each foot costs this much, so we have to multiply it. So let's do that real quick. 0, 2, 2. I'm running out of space here. Alright, so the total estimated cost will be $2,200 if it is built all around the outside of our garden. So let's shorten the sentence here since I'm running out of space. The total cost of the fence is $2,200. Very good. Alright, let's look at number 4. Farmer Bob got a new shipment of sunflower seeds from his supplier. The supplier recommends that they be planted 1 seed per square foot. If his field is 186 feet long and 84 feet wide, how many sunflower seeds should he plant in the field? So this is a rectangle. I'm already recognizing that. 84 feet by 186 feet. Okay. Now, alright, so are we going around or are we covering? Farmer Bob is planting seeds all over the field. Okay, so he wants to plant 1 per every square foot. So we are covering, he's covering his field with seeds. So the formula for area, which is what we're going to use here, is length times width. Okay, so we have our length and our width, 84 times 186. And I think that I'll use a calculator here, because these are kind of big numbers and I'm running out of space. 186 times 84 is going to give me 15,624 square feet. That's a big plot of land. That's a whole farm. It's a field. Supplier recommends they be planted 1 seed per square foot. If this field is that big, how many sunflower seeds does he need to plant? Well, if he plants 1 for every square foot, he's going to plant this many, 15,624. So let's restate the question. He should plant 15,624 sunflower seeds. That's a lot of sunflowers. Hope he plans to sell some of those. Alright, number 5. We're on the home stretch here. Fred wants to carpet his bedroom that measures 12 feet by 15 feet. The carpet costs $25 per square yard. How much will it cost Fred to carpet his bedroom? First question, are we covering? Are we going around? We are covering, because this is a question about carpet. Okay, so bedroom is a rectangle. It's 12 by 15. Remember, the area formula for rectangle is length times width. Okay, we have our length and our width here, 15 times 12. Do that real quick. 5 and 1. 180 square yards. 180 square yards. Let's look at the question. How much will it cost Fred to carpet his bedroom? Carpet costs $25 per square yard. We know how many square yards there are in his bedroom, so we can figure that out pretty quickly. Alright, so we take 180 times the amount that the carpet costs per square yard. So again, I'm going to use my calculator because I'm running out of room. So let's try this. 180 times 25, $25 per square foot. We had square yards times the amount that it costs per square yard, and we get $4,500 to recarpet his bedroom. Not cheap, so take care of your carpet. So let's restate the question here. How much will it cost Fred to carpet his bedroom? It will cost Fred $4,500 to carpet his bedroom. Hopefully you write neater than I do. Alright, last one. Tammy needs to rent an office building. He needs 10,000 square feet of space. If Tammy found a building to rent that is 81 feet by 102 feet, is the building large enough to meet Fred's building needs? Alright, so again, first question, we see this square feet. That should alert us right away that we are covering. Alright, he needs this many square feet of space, 10,000 square feet of space. This is a covering. If Tammy found a building to rent that is 81 feet, 81 by 102 feet, is the building large enough to meet Fred's building needs? Basically the question is asking, is this area greater than or less than 10,000 square feet? Because this is how big he needs the building to be. So does this building suit his needs? Let's figure it out. So we are doing area because we're covering, and we have our length and our width. That's the formula, length times width. 102 times 81. I'm going to use the calculator here. This is a very big building, I can tell already. So 102 times 81, that gives us 8,262 square feet squared. Okay? That is the total area of the office that he's